everyone! Welcome back! Today, I am going to draw and color a super ice cream step by step. So let's go start. Now I'm gonna draw my first ice cream. That's why I'm drawing the ice cream beautifully, friends. Keep watching. This is the bottom part of the ice cream. I'll make some rounds like this so that the ice cream looks nice. Now I am going to draw the second ice cream, which is kulfi. Now I will give some lines in kulfi. This time, a big round on top of the kulfi. Okay, good. Now I'm going to draw the third number, ice cream, beautifully, friends. Now I'll finish drawing the last ice cream by drawing some spots. This is the bottom part. Great! So guys, now I'm going to thicken the outlines of this ice cream, then we'll do the coloring. Now I will color it. I'm giving the ice cream a dark blue color. So friends, tell me how you like this color. Then I color in these round circles with yellow. Now I will give it a green color, brown color. Now I will give the first color in the second ice cream orange color. I'm giving it a pink color in the middle. And then I'm giving it a blue color at the bottom. Hey, hey, hey. I am giving it back in dark blue color. Now I will give the remaining areas a nice pink color and brown color below. Amazing!